On the Woodford Brothers basement, what they're all about, I've tried to weld those two words, basement and Woodford Brothers, together in your mind. They'd like me to add a third word, now. How about a fourth? How about right now? How about the fact that you're holed up at the house? It doesn't mean that they can't get after whatever's going on in your house. They can come and look at it in zero contact, right? You're out of the house, they'll come in there. Or if you want to upstairs, great, they'll come in and there'll be everything will be fine. They'll wipe this down when they're done. Now is the time. They're in essential business. They can come help you square your basement away. And here's the thing, spring is kind of here, right? And so if you're going to have a tendency to moistness, this wasn't the wettest of winters or years, but you're going to see it in your basement now. And this would be the ideal time for them to see it and to tell you what can be done to make sure that doesn't happen again. Or here you are, you just got your stimulus or whatever, and you're in your house and you're recognizing it'd be nice if this basement was something we could do something with. Well, call them now, 1-8444. It's 1-8 and 2 4s. 844-402-3535. Just make it easier. Go to basementbrothersradio.com. But they can come in and finish your basement now. Whether you've got a problem with wetness, or you want it finished, or you've got radon, or you think you have mold, or whatever else you've going on there, they can take care of you. Basementbrothersradio.com for Woodford Brothers.